Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to check your mobile data balance by using your BSNL SIM card, and this method works for both prepaid and postpaid users. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your keypad application. So here you can type the following USSD code and then select your BSNL SIM card. So now it shows on menu section. So if you want to know your mobile balance, by simply enter 1 and then click to send this request, and then you can see, so it shows my plan name, expiry date and remaining balance. So if you want to go back to your main menu, by simply type 9 and then hit to send this request. And the next one is, if you activated any data plan or SMS plans, by simply enter number 3 and then hit to send this request. So now this time you can type number 1 to view the status of this plan. So finally you can see, now it shows my remaining data balance and expiry date. So if you feel this method is very complicated, now you can follow this another trick. So just open your mobile keypad and then type this following USSD code and then click to send this request by using your BSNL SIM card. So here you can see, this USSD code also shows the same mobile data balance informations. So by using these two methods, you can easily check your BSNL mobile data balance. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.